Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretarial practice class 12th standard. As you can see this slide, today we people are on the lesson number 12. Lesson name is stock exchange. So this is the new lesson which we are going to cover today. So what is given in the lesson? First of all, the lesson started with the stock exchange meaning. Then the second topic is function of the stock exchange. Third one is major stock exchange in India. Fourth one, important terms related to the stock exchange. This topic has been removed from the syllabus for the self-study. Next one is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of the India, as well as the function of SEBI, and the last one is distinction between the different key terms. Now before starting the lesson of the stock exchange, we must have aware about the name of the stock exchange. Stock exchange means the marketplace, a place where the company's securities are bought and the sold. It provides the facilities where the brokers, traders can buy and sell the securities. So stock exchange, it is the most important components of the stock market. So let's read the paragraph first to understand the meaning. A stock market is an important constituent of the capital market. We have already learned about the financial market, where we said that the financial market is divided into the two parts. First one is the money market and second one is the capital market. So it is the part of the financial market where the corporate securities are bought and sold. It is an organized capital market where the second-hand securities are bought and sold for the investment and the speculation purpose. So only listed securities, only listed companies can be traded on the stock exchange. So you have to keep remember this word. In the capital market, in the stock exchange, second-hand securities are bought and sold for the investment purpose. So stock exchange is also called as the secondary market. You can say also stock market, share market and the share bazaar. So let's read the meaning completely. Stock exchange is a specific place where various type of securities are purchased and sold. So the term securities include what? In the securities we include about the equity shares, preference shares, debentures, government securities and bond, etc. So including unit of the mutual fund also. So stock market work as the intermediary, works as the mediator between investor and the borrower. So who are the borrower? The companies, those who need the money, and investor means the general public. So what stock exchange do? Stock exchange provide the safety and the stability to whom? To the investor. So stock exchange in India are regulated by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of the India. So what was the first stock exchange? The first stock exchange was found in the London, which was established in the 1571. That was the oldest stock exchange in the world. But the Bombay Stock Exchange, it was founded in the 1875 and it is the oldest stock exchange in the India. The important feature of the stock exchange. What are the features? First one is related to market for the security. So means the stock exchange, stock market provide a place where all type of the security, corporate securities as well as the government, semi-government bodies are traded. Second point, second hand security. We have already know that the fresh capital can be collected by the company through the primary market. So here we are talking about the second hand securities. So the securities traded in the stock exchange are those securities which are already issued by the company to the investor. In the other word, you can say second hand securities are bought and sold to the investor through the stock exchange. Third point, listed security. We already know that before selling the securities, every corporate sector or a company have to register their security with the particular stock exchange. This is the way to call as the listed securities. So let's read the paragraph. Only security which are listed with the particular stock exchange that can be traded on the stock exchange. Listing of security helps for what? To protecting the interest of the investor, as company have to strictly comply the rules which are laid down by the stock exchange. Fourth point, organized and the regulated market. So all the company have to comply the rules and the guideline which is given by the SEBI. They have to strictly follow that. The company have to function as per the rules and the regulation which are given by the SEBI to the particular stock exchange. Fifth point, specific location. That means it is the one of the most important advantage where the investor get the physical place for buying and selling of the security. So let's read the paragraph. Stock exchange is a specific physical place where securities are traded. So it is a market where the broker, jobber and the intermediaries meet to conduct the dealing in the securities. So today all trading is done electronically on a stock exchange. 6 point, trading only through the member. We already know that the investor cannot directly connect it with the stock exchange, so the investor have to connect it with the intermediaries. As you can read this paragraph, security in a stock exchange can be traded only through the members of the stock exchange on behalf of the investor or through the authorized broker. Now the summary of the video. What we have learned in this video, we have learned the meaning of the stock exchange, where we said that stock exchange is a marketplace, a place where the buying and selling securities can be done. Second important point, importance or maybe can as features of the stock exchange. So remaining topic from the lesson number 12 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.